February, Story 4, A Little Good Luck. An old lady lives on our street. She is very rich. One day, I saw her bending down, trying to pick something up off the ground. She was having a hard time, so I came over and asked if I could help. She told me there was a penny on the ground. I wondered why a rich lady was worried about penny. Oh, I don't need it, she said, but is this good luck to find the penny? I gave her the penny and walked away. Just then, the lady called me back. She put the coin in my shirt pocket and said, "It will bring you extra good luck because you have me." I pulled out the coin. I was surprised. She hadn't given me the penny. She had given me a dollar coin. Thank you for your listening. Remember, be it forward.